Hello, Mark Stone. I am honored to speak with you today.
Thanks, Toby. I'm happy to be here. Yeah, I've been in the role now for about a year, so it's new and it's exciting being in Sacramento.
Can you tell me about your event?
Well, this event today was breakfast for the Regional Center, bringing everybody together, getting folks kind of pumped up on their role of advocacy and voting and making sure that everybody's voice is heard and heard as one.
Are there going to be budget cuts?
Well, fortunately this year we're starting to reinvest out of the budget, and it's a challenge. The safety net and a lot of programs have been cut over $9 billion, $6 billion over the last few years, so it's a challenge getting some of the programs reinvested in and back on track. But we are fortunately being able to start to have those conversations, and we need to do investments in programs that help people, especially the disability community.
How about the Letterman Act? What does the future look like?
Letterman Act has been under assault numerous times over the last few years, and some of those assaults continue. It is changing, as it should, as we learn better how to provide services, what our community expects. So I'm hoping that as we do make some changes in the Letterman Act about how services get delivered, moving it more focused on the communities, keeping people in their homes or near their homes, a part of their community working, those kinds of changes are very beneficial. But we need to protect the rights of all Californians, including and especially those with disabilities.
Do you think there will be positive changes to our services?
I certainly hope so. That's what we're talking about in the budget, that we are reinvesting in services to people in our community. So a lot of us are driving for positive budgetary changes and more effective services, yes.
Thank you for the interview.
Thanks, Toby. It's always great to see you. Good job.
Thanks.